Do you get creative block when you're trying to come up with new content every week? Well, in this video, we're going to give you 7 ideas for Facebook Live videos that are going to make your life a lot easier. Keep watching. Live videos create a unique experience for your audience because they are in real time and people can watch it anywhere in the world, and they are highly interactive. So if you create videos on demand or other types of content, you should consider creating live videos as well. So here are the 7 Facebook Live ideas to get you started. You can apply these ideas to more than one platform. You can do them on YouTube, Twitch, you name it. And by the way, you should consider going live on more than one platform at once. I'll put a link up here to show you how. So the first idea is a Q&A session. You can promote it in advance, get your audience to send in questions, and you can also answer to questions live. It's a great experience for your audience and they get to know you a little bit better. And you can also do an AMA session, that is an Ask Me Anything session. That is a bit more personal and people can ask curious things and different questions, so you gotta be ready to answer anything. Idea number 2 is doing a behind the scenes live video. You can show your audience a little bit more about you, give them a little bit more of your personality, give them a sneak peek of what goes on in your life. And you can do that as a company or as a person. You can just grab a mobile phone and go walk around and show them a bit more about your life. Next idea, interviews. Interviews are a great way to expand your audience because the interviewee is probably going to share the interview as well, so you get to tap into their audience and vice versa. So you both get to expand your audience and reach more people. Next idea is live streaming events. Whenever you go to a live event, it's a great opportunity to share with your audience that you're there and you establish yourself as an industry expert because you're part of that community. So it's a great way to reach your audience and show them what's going on. And you can also live stream your own events. It's a great way to expand your capacity. Even though the venue might not fit thousands of people, at least you're going to get people watching it online. Okay, so next idea, it's a little bit more obvious, but still might give you some other ideas to go on with. Teach something. It doesn't have to be something directly related to your business or profession or whatever. You can teach them a recipe for your favorite smoothie, or you can teach them how you organize your day. Anything that will help your audience will bring in more people. Another great Facebook Live idea is to share valuable tips with your audience. So if you read an interesting book lately, or you watch a great movie, heard something interesting, just share with your audience. And the great thing about that is this is highly shareable content. So chances are they're going to share with their friends and you can even go viral. So the last idea that we want to share with you for a Facebook Live video is to do live product demos. They are great to increase sales, and if you want to learn more about how to do a live product demo that works, I'm going to put a link up here and you can watch the other video that we did about it. So these were the ideas that we wanted to share with you guys, and if you want more live streaming ideas, you can check out the blog post. I'll put a link below. It has 30 live streaming ideas for you. And if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more live video tips and hit the bell to get notifications. Thank you and see you next time.